In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WooCommerce store address fast and easy. Let's dive right into it. To get started, make sure you're already logged into your WordPress dashboard. That's where we're going to begin our journey. Head over to WooCommerce settings. Once you're logged into WordPress, you should see the WooCommerce tab on the left-hand menu. Click on it, and from there, click on Settings. Now this is where the magic really happens. You'll notice various tabs across the top, but what we're interested in today is setting up your store's address correctly. As you look through the settings, you'll see the store address section become available to you. This is where you want to provide accurate information, as this affects how your products are shipped and displayed to customers. Start by clicking on Address Line 1. Here, you'll enter the primary address for your business. This could be the official business address, or wherever your main operations are located. Next, go to Address Line 2. This is optional but useful if you have additional details such as a suite number or P.O. box. Again, accuracy is important here to avoid any confusion with deliveries or legal documentation. Now it's time to enter the city your business is located in. Click on City and type in the name of your city. Make sure there are no typos here. It's a simple step but crucial for clarity and accuracy. Moving down the list, you'll find the Country-State drop-down. Click this and a list will appear for you to select your country and state. This helps in calculating taxes and shipping rates accurately for your customers. Next up is Postcode Zip. Enter the relevant postal code for your area. This assists in narrowing down your location even further, offering precise payment and shipping options. Following that, you'll find options for your selling locations. Here, specify where you want to sell your products. It could be the entire world, a specific continent, or just a country. Pick the one that fits your business needs. Similarly, you have shipping locations. Here, you select where you're willing to ship your products. This is a good time to review your logistical capabilities. You'll also come across Default Customer Location. This is important for guiding initial shipping calculations for visitors who haven't filled in their shipping address yet. And then you have the currency settings. Choose the currency, which simply sets what currency your prices will be displayed in. There's also currency position, where you can select where you want your currency symbol to appear. Then configure the thousand separator and decimal separator, which affect how prices appear on your site. And last in these settings is number of decimals, which allows you to control the precision of product pricing. Finally, don't forget to hit Save Changes. This is crucial to ensure all the information you've input is stored and applied to your WooCommerce setup. And there you have it. Your WooCommerce store address settings are now correctly configured to support your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.